Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha Musiccast Sub 100 subwoofer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your subwoofer is not connecting to the network, or it's not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if you're having any kind of issues with it where it keeps disconnecting, it's not working, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set this up again because it will be restored to its out-of-the-box factory default settings, but that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this up on a new stereo system, or just any kind of situation where you want to clear everything out and get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy to do. What you want to do is it needs to be connected to power, and it should be in standby mode. So if it's on, you're going to come in, you're going to press the power button, hold the power button to put it in standby mode. Once you've done that, and it's in standby mode, you're going to come in, you're going to hold the connect button with it in standby mode. You're going to press and hold the connect button, and while holding the connect button, then you'll come in and hit the power button to turn it on. And you'll just continue to hold the connect button until you see the little indicator light on the front start to flash, at which point you can let go of all the buttons and it will start up in its initialized factory default settings.